A few years back, it made news headlines. China to put its own moon in the orbit. Well, that made me wonder, where is this so-called moon now? Without further ado, let's dive straight into this mystery. So what is this artificial moon? China made the news with the announcement that they were going to put their own moon in orbit. Now this wasn't going to be any regular moon. This was going to be a giant artificial moon, which would be brighter than our own moon and would provide continuous moonlight. So the obvious question arises, why? China planned on using the artificial moon's light to power their entire country, thus saving them millions and billions of dollars in electricity. So, what happened? Any bright idea comes with challenges, as did this. To keep this artificial moon in orbit, its velocity needed to be around 27,000 km per hour. Furthermore, there will be no lunar phases and hence there will be continuous moonlight all throughout the year. All of this clubbed together will cause massive disruptions in the ecosystems, especially in animals like birds, etc., who have the dark built into their biological clock. The dark tells them to sleep, return home and mate, and in its absence, these species will suffer tremendously. China realized the problems in building a giant moon in space, and hence instead of building one in space, they built one on the ground. This moon uses the technology developed by physicist Andrei Giem, a sort of maglev technology which helps in reducing the gravity of the Earth in a confined space to simulate Moon's gravity, which is around 1/6 of Earth's gravity. Furthermore, they have added dust, rocks, soils, etc. to resemble the Earth's moon. This artificial moon will be used to test out new rover technologies and train astronauts for survival on the moon. The next space race is about establishing the first human settlement on the moon, and as China shifts its focus, they're ready to take on this next big challenge and to compete with NASA's Artemis. China is ready to give its all. If you liked our content, feel free to subscribe to our channel. Until next time, I'll be your friendly neighborhood, the Astrophile.